Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Peacock TV is probably one of the most talked about streaming services right now, offering a vast library of NBCUniversal content, including live sports, hit movies, and binge-worthy TV shows, all accessible on a variety of devices, making it a compelling option for cord cutters and entertainment enthusiasts alike seeking a comprehensive and affordable streaming solution. Number 5. Samsung 43-inch Crystal 4K UHD $8,000 series Smart TV. Witness every detail with breathtaking clarity. Its powerful processor is specifically tuned to convert everything you watch into stunning 4K resolution. Immerse yourself in a new world of vibrant color and incredible detail. High dynamic range brings newer films and streaming content to life like never before. Access a universe of content beyond just streaming. Schedule recordings, search for shows, and control your smart TV effortlessly using just your voice. Never miss a moment of the action. It minimizes blur and enhances motion clarity, ensuring you catch every fast-moving scene, whether it's sports or gaming. Elevate your space with its incredibly slim profile. This television is designed to blend effortlessly into any room, complementing your home decor. Discover what you've been missing. It enhances your viewing with a crisp, clear picture that boasts 4 times the resolution of Full HD. What we like. Experience stunning clarity with its powerful 4K processor. Access a world of content and control your smart TV with your voice. Its ultra-thin profile blends effortlessly into any room. If you're looking for a smart TV that offers both great picture quality and convenient voice control, this is an excellent choice for seamless integration into your smart home. What people say. Great selection of shows and movies, including many exclusive originals. The interface is user-friendly and easy to navigate, making it simple to find content. Offers a good variety of live sports, which is a major plus for sports fans. Number 4. Westinghouse 43-inch Roku QLED Smart TV. Discover a world of vibrant and accurate colors with our advanced QLED technology. Enjoy brighter visuals and an expanded color gamut for an unparalleled viewing experience, even from wider angles. Immerse yourself in breathtaking detail with enhanced contrast. Experience brighter brights, deeper darks, and a wider spectrum of colors for truly captivating movies and shows. Navigate your entertainment with ease using the voice remote. Simply speak to search for content, play your favorite shows, and control your device effortlessly. Get lost in the action with our bezel-less design. The screen extends to the edges, creating a more immersive and expansive viewing experience. Access a universe of entertainment with over 350 free live TV channels and thousands of apps. Stream everything from hit movies to live sports, all on one convenient platform. This smart TV works harmoniously with your existing smart home devices. Control your entertainment and home with simple voice commands through Apple HomeKit, Alexa, or Google Assistant. What we like. Immerse yourself in lifelike colors and incredible contrast with QLED technology and Dolby Vision. Effortlessly navigate thousands of streaming apps and channels with the intuitive Roku voice remote. Its bezel-less design makes your viewing experience more expansive. If you prioritize vibrant picture quality and access to a vast streaming library with easy voice control, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. The app is easy to navigate and find shows. Great selection of NBC shows and originals. Picture quality is excellent, especially on newer devices. Number 3. Vampire Academy Series Books 1-6 Collection Set. Step into a world of forbidden romance and ancient secrets. This collection brings you the first 6 thrilling installments of the Vampire Academy series. Follow Rose Hathaway as she navigates the dangerous halls of St. Vladimir's Academy. She must protect her best friend and the future of their kind. Experience the intense bonds of friendship and the trials of first love. Choices must be made, and sacrifices are inevitable. As threats loom and betrayals unfold, the fight for survival intensifies. The fate of 2 worlds hangs in the balance. Uncover hidden truths and face the ultimate destinies. Each book pushes the boundaries of courage and loyalty. This set includes all 6 essential novels, from the beginning to the epic conclusion. Immerse yourself in this captivating saga. What we like. Dive into a captivating world of vampires and forbidden romance with this complete 6-book series. Follow compelling characters through thrilling adventures and emotional journeys. If you're a fan of supernatural tales with strong character development and intricate plots, this collection is a must-read. What people say. The app is easy to navigate and find shows. Peacock has a great selection of NBC shows, including The Office and Parks and Recreation. The streaming quality is excellent, with no buffering issues. Number 2. Vizio XRT 260 Replacement Voice Remote. Introducing the new replacement voice remote, designed to seamlessly control your Vizio V-Series and M-Series 4K HDR Smart TV. It's the perfect upgrade for your viewing experience. This remote is specifically engineered to work with a wide range of Vizio V-Series and M-Series 4K Smart TV models. Enjoy enhanced functionality and ease of use. Navigate your entertainment with ease thanks to the 7 shortcut app channel buttons. Access your most used streaming services with a single press. Pairing is automatic during initial setup, but manual pairing is simple too. Just press the mic button to enter pairing mode, ensuring it's within range of your TV. If you encounter any issues or if it doesn't work with your specific TV model, our dedicated customer service is here to help. We'll ensure your issue is resolved within 24 hours. Upgrade your smart TV experience with this intuitive voice remote. Enjoy voice commands and quick access to all your favorite content. What we like. Easily control your Vizio TV with advanced voice commands. Quickly access your favorite streaming services with dedicated app shortcut buttons. This replacement remote is designed for seamless compatibility with Vizio V-Series and M-Series TVs. If your original remote is lost or broken, this is the perfect, hassle-free solution to get your smart TV back in full control. What people say. The app is very easy to navigate and find what you want to watch. Peacock has a great selection of classic movies and TV shows that you can't find anywhere else. The live sports coverage on Peacock is excellent, with many events streamed in high definition. Number 1. Xbox One and Series XS Universal Replacement Remote. Take full command of your gaming experience. This remote is designed for seamless control over your Xbox One and Series XS consoles. It works flawlessly with Xbox One, Xbox One S, and Xbox One X. Enjoy universal compatibility for all your gaming needs. Navigate your media with ease. You can fast forward, rewind, play, pause, and control pages effortlessly. No complicated setup required. Simply insert batteries and it works right out of the box. It's that easy. Experience the convenience of a brand new remote. It's ready to enhance your entertainment right away. What we like. Enjoy seamless media playback control for your Xbox console. This remote works right out of the box after installing batteries, no complex programming required. It's compatible with Xbox One and the latest Xbox Series XS. If you want a simple, dedicated remote for watching movies and shows on your Xbox without fumbling with the controller, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The app has a wide variety of content, including live sports and original series. The streaming quality is excellent, with options for HD and 4K. Peacock offers a good selection of NBCUniversal content, including classic movies and current shows. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.